International Women's Day is a recognition of strong women in strong positions that ladies like us can look up to and admire. Like our boss Ani.
Yeah.
Kia ora, my name is Emily.
My name is Tide.
Kia ora, I'm Veronica Keirua.
Kia ora, I'm Marianne Howard.
Hi, I'm Ronald.
One lady that inspires me is Bianca. All my years I've been working here, she's been my inspiration. Because of her, I am the person that I am today.
Our manager inspires me a lot for being competitive and hard worker.
My mom inspires me so much because before in the Philippines, we're not rich, we're poor. But my mom raised us well, very good. He gave us better education, shelter, and everything that we need.
In a personal way, is one of my aunties. She's a very hard worker. She works very hard for her family. They've done really well for themselves, and it's all thanks to her.
My mum and my grandmother, the sacrifices that they've made to ensure that I've got every opportunity possible and that I have many different options to choose of which direction I would like to go in my life, and they've given me nothing but support, encouragement, and also just to see how hard that they work is really inspiring to me personally.